or even some black electrical tape, that rubber tape. Both will work fine. Okay, let's give it a good spray. Look for shadows. Rinse the sandpaper. See a shadow right here. The rest of the lens is glazed over, so you want to get rid of those shadows. I think that looks pretty good. Okay. Now we've done the 400 grit, we've gotten all the heavy damage off the lens. Now we're going to repeat the process with the gray paper, which is basically 2000 wet dry paper. Again, wet the paper, wet the lens, lots of water. Don't let it dry, always keep it wet. And the same process, circular or straight back and forth. You're going to see residue coming off, not as much with the 400 grit. You'll see less coming off, but you'll also feel how rough the lens is and how smooth it gets the more you use the 2000. And you'll see the lens will start to get clear. So we're going to hit this again, flip the paper over, get a clean side, and start rubbing again. Now you're going to see hardly any residue is coming off. That's good. Basically, you want to scrub it a few more times until there's no more residue coming off. And then we'll be ready to finish the restoration process. Feels good. No more residue. Lens is smooth. If you like, rub your hand over it. Rinse your hand. Rub it over. See if you feel any rough spots. If you do, just hit it again. Otherwise, move on to the other headlight. Rinse the paper out. Refold it so you have a clean side to work with. Lots of water on the headlight. I'm going to repeat again. Some residue coming off lightly. Feeling good. Nice and smooth. And one more good rinse. Check it out. I feel one or two little rough spots, so I'm going to flip the paper over to the last side. Hit it with a little more elbow grease real quick.